Say with me. A is for avocado. B. Say with me. B is for bee. C. Say with me. C is for cupcake. D. Say with me. D is for dinosaur. E. Say with me. E is for envelope. F. Say with me. F is for fire truck. G. Say with me. G is for glasses. H. Say with me. H is for helicopter. I. Say with me. I is for iceberg. J. Stay with me. J is for jacket. K. Say with me. K is for kiwi bird. L. Say with me. L is for lamp. M. Say with me. M is for medal. N. Say with me. N is for necklace. O. Say with me. O is for omelette. P. Say with me. P is for panda. Q. Say with me. Q is for quicksand. R. Say with me. R is for ringmaster. S. Say with me. S is for squirrel. T. Say with me. T is for television. U. Say with me. U is for utensils. V. Say with me. V is for violet. W. Say with me. W is for wagon. X. Say with me. X is for telegraph. Y. Say with me. Y is for yo. Z. Say with me. Z is for zigzag. Subscribe for more videos.